Welcome back. In this session, we will explore how to create and customize multi-row card. So I will go back again to the visualization, and we can have here a second page, or third page even, to have some more space. And from the visualization, we're gonna search for the multi-card visualization. You can find it here, multi-card row. Just click on this one, and as you can see, that's basically a visual in PowerBi that display data in a card format, but this time for a multi-category. With the normal card, you just have for single category, but with this one, you can find multi-category or multi-fields. It's either, for presenting summarized information in an organized way. So here, as you can find, we have here an area, so you can drop some fields, not only one field. So basically I will start with the branch. Here we can find branch A, B, C, and in the same field area we can fetch the revenue for each branch. We can find here summation. Even we can change this summation to be, for example, an average of each branch. And basically when you're gonna use multi-card, you can use it to display key matrices for multi-category or to summarize important detail in a compact visual. So we can minimize this one like this. Even here I can change the color for the card. We can make it black, for example, or even you can change the style. It's up to you. That's basically how can you go and create a multi-card, but I have here some kind of the best practice. You have to limit the number of the fields to avoid messy style. So if I'm gonna come back here and again I add the months, look at this, it will feel like so messy. You cannot understand what's going on. There is nothing called it summarize in this one. Try to use meaningful label and titles and combine multi-row card with supporting for the visual. So thank you for watching this video. Now we learned how to create and customize multi-row card. See you in the next session.